Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you? Hi to all. Today I am going to demonstrate you different type of chart in Excel. First we will open our previous work. In last video I already done that thing, formatting and chart. Okay, now we are using chart for graphical representing of your work. A column chart. This type of chart to compare value across a few categories. This one bar chart, right? Compare value across a few categories when the chart shows duration or the category text is long. Line. We will make a chart. For example, first we select the data, right? First we select the data. For example, we select only subjects. Right now I want to make a chart, right? Column chart. Click on it. Okay, we will drag down column chart. Now we want to big the size of this chart. We will drag it when this arrows come, right? If you click here, you want to change the title, you can write here subjects marks. You know, is x-axis and y-axis. If you want to drag down this one, this you will see that one, this arrow will become, you will drag down. How many students showing? 3 students. And different color is there. When you click here, if you want to insert here label, you will select that one and you will click on label. It will automatically show there, right? Okay, now there are different type of style of the chart which you require. You will select that thing. This one row off and on, right? Okay, now when you click here, the name will be go top and the subject will become, right? When you click here, now name will come down and subjects will be go there. Okay, here you can select the data. From here you can change the chart type. If you want to change the chart type in line, you can, right? Line chart is there. Okay, now if you want to change that one line chart into pie chart, bar chart, right? Column chart. If you click here bar chart will be there, right? If we click here again, we go for their different type. Okay, we will go there again. We click here line chart. Now you will see column chart is there. We click okay. Okay, now we click here colors, different color which you want, you will select. I will click here. Okay, this is quick layout of the chart. Which layout you choose, you will click on it and it will become. We will click here. label will become this one using for label and these things. If you want to change that one, add the element inside that one x-axis and y-axis you can. You want to chart title above, it will come above the chart title, right? Now this chart title is here. When you click here, the chart title will be horizontal. Where you want, you will click on it, it will go there. Now chart title center, it will be in center. Okay, now again if you want to design a chart, now I want to select only the name. After selecting the name, I want to select open percentage. Now you will press the control key and select these two. After selection that one, you will go there, insert, and for line, anyone which you want you will select and you can, right? This first one I select and drag down. I drag down here, and you want to increase the size, this arrow will become and you will drag it, right? Inside that one there are different style of the chart, which you want you will select, right? You will drag for that one, click here. Okay, now you right click on it, you click here, move to the chart. If you want to move the chart in other new sheet, you will click on it and you will press OK. Now the chart will become here, right? The chart automatically come here, you will drag here, right? The sheet 1. Now chart will be there, right? If you want to change the chart type, you can easily sorry, you will click here. Okay, you want to this one zoom in, this one zoom out, right? Quick layout, which layout you want you will select. Okay, I will click here again, sheet 1. Now inside that one you will see this one for the addition, add these numbers, these are percentage, and this one using for grading if condition. This one maximum number, this one minimum number. Alright, now I want to create a chart again, select these two only. I want to compare it, insert. Now which you want, that one, line again. Now you can easily compare that one, right? Right click this one chart and move chart into the new sheet, you can. After that you can design, you click here and you can make the style of it, you can design, right? Okay, Allah Hafiz and take care by yourself, right? Subscribe my channel and also like the video and write the comments and click on bell icon. Allah Hafiz, take care.